Good day, everyone. One of the most important things that we learned about in Unity is the use of scripts. And the main use of scripts that I feel in especially developing virtual experiences is the interaction amongst the scripts. So if you have more than two different scripts, how do these scripts interact with each other? And it's not within the same object, but these scripts can be across various objects. So one of the most important thing that I found out when I was working on virtual reality experiences is passing values from one script to another script, and it can use for a lot of purposes. So the other script can use the values from the first script for various reasons. So today, in our today's lecture, we will see how do scripts interact with each other within Unity. For this, we will do a Unity example, which I'll be showing you now in our present slides. So let's look at that. I've opened a scene in Unity. I've opened a project in Unity, a sample project. And what I've done is I've created two scripts. I've created a script A and I've created a script B. Okay. So these are the two scripts which I want to make them interact with each other. So let's look at that. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to attach the script A and script B to the directional light, which is any game object. So let me do that first. I'm attaching script A and script B. Now, if you see over here, the script A and script B are attached to the directional light. Now, what I want to do is I want to edit script A and add a text variable in that. So let me click on, as you can see over here, on the gear button and click on edit script. My script opens in Visual Studio. And what I want to do is I want to just write public string. This is all what I want to do. So if you go in back in Unity, so you'll see over here, since the variable text was public, you could see a dialog box over here where you could add values on your own. But you know what? I want to make sure that script B is sending that value to script A. So for that, now what I will do is I'll open script B and I'll say edit script. Now what I want to do is I want to make sure that I get the component of script A and actually fill in the values, so get the component of script A, and through script B, I want to send the values to script A. So how do I do that? So for that, I will start with first get component. Get component. And within that get component, I want to get script A and these two dot text. So what I'm doing is, as I defined the public variable text in my script A, I'm accessing it through my script B. What am I seeing over there is so what I've done over here is I have got the component script A, which I've defined, and I've got the text variable from the script A, and I'm passing a variable value from script B to script A. So that is what I'm precisely doing now. So and I'm doing it in the void start because I want to, as soon as I run my game, I want to make sure that the value is passed right from script B to script A. And this you can do it for various purposes. You can have it executed depending on based on interaction with the button or so on. But more importantly, I'm passing a value which I've written in script B to script A. So once I go to my Unity, I have to click on the play button. So let me reduce, maximize, and play it again. So you see over here, if you see the value from script B, this value is passed from script B. So the interaction between various scripts has happened. So the value which I have defined in script B, I have passed to script A. So think about this. This is very useful if one of the scripts is computing something and you want to send that computation to the second script. So this is how those two scripts will talk to each other. And you can have values go back and forth. So a lot of this is useful, especially when you're developing virtual reality experiences. For example, if you're doing an interaction and you want a feedback from that interaction, so that feedback can and that interaction can be passed between the scripts. So that's the beauty of having these scripts talk to each other. You'll see a lot more when we're actually developing interactions in our next chapters, how useful it is to have these kind of interactions or these kind of scripts talking to each other. Thank you very much.